I'm Norman from Get Set Up. Have you had your cell phone for a while? And have you been using the same cell phone provider for many years? Do you just kind of get used to the fact that your bill keeps kind of creeping up over the years and you're paying a lot more than you used to? Well, I've got some good news for you. If you take our class on how to research a new phone plan, you can find some new options that you may not have known about previously or may have just come out recently that can help cut your cost and give you possibly additional functionality that you don't currently have on your current phone and plan. In this class, we will talk about how to research phone plans, how to compare them with each other, and being watchful of things like surcharges and other hidden costs and taxes that might be on your bill that you may not be noticing. We're also going to just talk about how to determine what your needs are and how to match them with the right plan. We won't be recommending any specific plans, but we're going to give you some tools that you can use to do the research and to hopefully find a plan that really can serve your needs and hopefully save you some money. So please join us and become part of the Get Set Up community. Thank you.